Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Bristol here with a Quickie Stickii unboxing for you guys. And surprisingly, you guys, this is the Stickii Club unboxing for June. They had like a supply issue. Some trucks arrived late or something. So all the Stickii Club packages got like super delayed. So we're opening it now. No big deal. They were super communicative, so I wasn't really like sweating not getting my package on time because they let us know what was going on and kept us up to date, and that was very cool of them. For those of you who don't know, Stickii Club is like a monthly subscription pack where they send you stickers. It's cool. I'll put their link in the description box below so you guys can check them out. But I'm not sponsored, so I'm not going to keep like promoting them. I'm just going to unbox this so you guys can see what we got. So I didn't even prep my envelopes this time, so you can watch me stressfully try to open these without damaging the actual envelope too much, because I use this in my books all the time because they're nice envelopes. Ooh. Oh, okay. So they did say that we were going to get a bonus like of some stickers for being like super chill about waiting. So I think these are the bonus stickers. So I'll open up those last. Yes, 2 extra sheets as a thank you, which is really neat. That's really cool of them. So let's see. Get out of the way. The theme for this one is French. Trouvaille, travels. I don't know how you say that. That's for dang sure. So we will mandatory corner stick. Pop that back in here. And let's see. So this month we got another sticker book. So yeah, this is like sticker release paper, so you can put your stickers in here if you have like sticker anxiety and you want to put all your stickers in a cute little book, and then, you know, remove them when you're ready to stick them down in their permanent place. That's what this is. I have so many of these now that it's a little bit distressing because I don't need that many of these. I'm actually kind of sad. It's another one of these, but I think the cover is really cute, like super cute. So I will probably gut it and then just make it into a little tiny mini notebook, which is fine. Like, that doesn't ruin my day at all. So let's see. Our special sticker is this I don't know, this ragamuffin. Ragamuffin seems very appropriate, like a little girl on some really nice vinyl. And this is by Cosmic Spectrum Art. So very cool. I like her aesthetic. I just watched An American Tail, Five Will Goes. No, just American Tail. I haven't watched Five Will Goes West yet. But that's giving me like Coming to America Five Will vibes. I like it. The movie is also super cute and super traumatizing at the same time. So shout out to Don Bluth for just giving me the most like awkward, intense portrayal of anything ever terrifying and happy in media ever, because that man knew how to do both. So first up, I know I'm holding it like a little packet. We have, just from Stickii Club, some of these like vintage and a little bit surreal hot air balloons. It's very neat. It's giving like Victorian, but also like steampunk a little bit, like with this one. So that's a nice little range of stuff. And then there's some more from Cosmic Spectrum. What's the best way to show this? Ha! Haha! These really beautiful clear stickers. Check that out. I love the little vintage like travel vibe. It's very cute. I really love these, like, ooh, I didn't even know that they were gilded because I'm only looking at them through the camera. Look at how cute that is. But I love these little like shoes and socks. Those are super cute. And then this one is from Lee Yost Williams at Lee Will Art. And is that a hat? I mean, these are hats. It must be a hat. Because the rest of them are all hats. You guys, this is a hat. I can't see it. I can't, like, conceive it. I'm gonna guess it's like some kind of sun hat, maybe? Like a little, like, baby bonnet sun hat? I don't know. That one really throws me off. The rest of these are really cute, though. I like this one. It's that, like, little garden bonnet hat style. You know what I'm talking about. Hats. So those are cute. And then we got some of these from RT Oh No. Or Zero No? RT Zero No? I don't know. There's the info. That's what you need to know. And it's these cute, like, little cat and bunny peoples. Focus. They're really cute. And this is the one from the sticker release book. Or the repositionable sticker book. I don't know what they're called. They're so tiny, but they're so cute. I love this. It's like day and night got together and decided to go for a stroll. And they are teeny tiny. Like, that's my thumbnail. They're thumbnail size. They are really cute. So I really do like those. Those are super sweet. And then from Yakovleva Arts is some luggage, which is perfect with the travel theme, and got some little, like, wizard vibes in here. So that's cute. See it again here with this. Really cute. And we got some of these, like, map index stickers. These little page markers. Those are nice. I have a whole bunch of these. I need to, like, start using them in my journals and stuff, because I just think about it after the fact. Then we got a bookmark. That was our specialty item. It's this really nice, like, solid bookmark from Vaughn Designs. And it's really pretty. It's giving all the cottagecore. And then this one is new. Like, it's actual photos. And it's from Mrs. T of Thistle Plum Meadow. And they're little photos. And they're very aesthetic. Which is really neat. I haven't seen photos as stickers on this yet. And this might have been something they did before, but in the time that I've been getting Stickii Club, I've never seen them do little photos. So these are super cute, super aesthetic, on the vibes for sure. So let's get those to the side. Oops, and I'll do those last. And then... oh, that was the vintage pack, by the way. I didn't think I mentioned it. I get 2 of the 3 packs they have. So they have a Q pack, a pop pack, and a vintage pack. I get the pop and vintage. And then, here we go. We got 2 more sheets of apology thank yous, which is neat. And then the theme for this month's pop pack is a pop of color, which is very neat. I love when they do, like, monochromatic or, like, color focus themes. Ugh, it's not coming off. Crisis. Okay. Crisis averted. There we go. So, official pop of color. Let's check out our special first. Our special sticker. Ooh. It's like silver foiled. Nice little vinyl sticker. This is really nice. Love that. I'm already super in love with the notepad. I think it's a notepad. I'm pretty convinced it's a notepad. It may just be loose little sheets of paper, because the last time we got one, it was loose little sheets of paper. And it wasn't... Oh, no, it's stuck together. It's glued. It's a little tiny notepad. Look at her. She's building her little house of bones. So cute. Love it. And this is by Ms. Nawada at mizna.com. So, those are really cute. I hope we get a full sheet of stickers. We usually do. Whatever is on the big little item up front is usually a sticker sheet in there. But I really like her style. Or their style. I don't know. Assuming gender. I shouldn't. So first up, we have from Tessa Lee Designs these really groovy, like, witchy girls with their witchy cats. In fact, it's mostly just a cat, and I'm okay with that because it's really pretty, and it's on this holographic sticker paper. Look how cool they look. I love that. I love these two little cats. And then, it's like a sheet of planner stickers for planner peoples, but also it's giving like Burn Book, Mean Girls vibes with like the pink and the black lettering. I'll definitely get some use out of the letters for sure. I'll have to find something to do with all these little dots, but I do like this. And they're like, I don't know, they have a feel. I don't know how to describe it. I wish I was better at describing it to you guys. It might just be because there's so many and they're so tiny, but they're very fun to touch. But I do like that. I like the colors. And then we have this from Alan Malelli. And it's a transparent sheet again. Let's see if you can see that. I could just zoom down with my camera, but no, this is way more fun. Out of focus. There we go. And it's these little, like, ghosty black and white drawings with the pop of color that we were promised. A little haunted house full of bones. Spooky, scary skeletons. Look at this little werewolf drinking tea. How cute is that? A little man on the moon, little sleepy old man. Tarot cards. This is a really cute sheet. I love this. Oh, look at the little violin. Teeny tiny violin. I love that. I love this like extra long beard. These are so cute. And we have another clear sheet. This one is from Being Letterer. And they're not gold. They're just like gold toned. But they're very cool. I think if I go slow enough, you can see all the little tiny details. The bugs are really cool. I love that. I love a good bug. A little bit of bug imagery. And the triple moon, little moon phases. Very cute. Very cool. I'm definitely going to get some good use out of those. And then these aren't clear. They're frosted. But for the sake of seeing things, this is by Behemoth Surta Stafari. And that's my best attempt at that. But there's their info if you want to check out their art. And this is really cute. I love this like spooky kitty aesthetic. Definitely cute. Did not know we were going to get so many cats today. That was a pleasant surprise. Look at that little creepy doll. And the crow's cute too. And I love the little knife. These are really cute. And a little spooky. But really cute. I love that. And then we did get a sheet from Ms. Wada. Sorry. Look at how cute these are. These little girlies. These little ghosty girlies. With her pop of red hair. She looks great. I love that. Look, she's like reading a ghost that's paper, but she's also paper. This is super cute. Look at the tiny little witch reading her book of shadows. And we got our little card. Our little bone house girl. And then the last sticker sheet we have are these really pretty wings with this blue foil. And these are great. They'll make like great little pops to add behind like figures and stuff. That's really cool. So I love those. Very versatile. And then the specialty item we got is a nice vellum envelope. And from Cherry Rabbit, we got a little card. A little blank greeting card. With this like holographic star foil on all the stars. How pretty is that? That's going in the hoard pile. I love that. I need to, like, gather up all this stuff in the hoard pile and then turn it into, like, a big journal for myself, I think, at some point, one day, you know, when I have a bajillion hours of time. But you will see this again the day that happens. I definitely need to use this stuff in my hoard pile, but, like, there's, like, a hoard pile of things that I just really like, and then there's, like, a hoard pile of things I like and don't want to share. And that's the pile that I need to, like, do something with, because it's a little bit outrageous. So, let's see what little specialty extra bonus sheets we got for being such cool, patient people from Stickii Club. I think this was really cool. They absolutely did not have to do this, but I think it's really nice that they did. So first up, we have these, like, vintage witches. And they are super cute. I love that. I love how big the witches are, too. They make really great, like, focal points. That's really cute. I'm sorry, I'm hitting the camera because I choose to lift the stickers up here instead of just, you know, zooming in like a normal person would. And then another set, and these are Alice in Wonderland spoons, and I freaking love these. These are super cute. Look at all the little details. Whoever put these together is super crazy talented and cool, because what a cool idea. And a little rose garden spoon. No, these are super cool. They're also going in the hoard pile. I love that. And then in this set, we got these little, like, lifestyle ones. Little paint palettes, planners, little sweet oranges. These are cute. These are really cute. Not an aesthetic that I see very often with this, like this sort of daily life vibe. But it's very cute. Daily modern life vibe, I think, is what I'm going for. And then the last one we got are these little, like, bubbles. Yeah, I think they're just meant to be like regular bubbles. But they're these clear stickers and a cat hair. That didn't come with this. That came with me. And then these really pretty, like, flowers in ice. Like a little, so it's like a little ice bubble, I guess. With a little wintry scene, like, encapsulated inside. That's really pretty. Those are pretty. So yeah, that's what we got. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments below. Which one was your favorite? I think I'm leaning towards Pop of Color. I think that one's my favorite one for this one. And I'm excited because I have already peeked a little bit at the theme for July, and it's going to be great. So we'll be back with another one of those when it comes in. And if you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate your faces, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one. Till then, happy crafting. Bye!